everybody, this is Nashwa and I've started to teach mathematics O levels, as you can see. Acha ji. Today we will be covering trigonometry. Acha. Why do we say trigonometry? Trigonometry is a shape considered of three sides. You can see any shape with three sides or three angles is considered as a triangle. Studying about triangles is known as trigonometry. Alright? Acha ji. Moving on, in our O-level subjects, in the trigonometry we have two types of triangles. Number one is right angle triangle. A right angle triangle always has one 90-degree angle. Alright? And the other one is non-right angle triangle, in which none of the sides are 90 degrees. Alright, this is right angle and this is non-right angle. That's it. Today we will be covering right angle triangle in the topic of trigonometry. Alright, that's it. Now, okay, in right angle triangle we find three things: sides, alright, then the other one is angles, and the other one is area. Okay, how do we find these? Sides, we find it by Pythagoras Theorem. And ratios. But before getting onto these, we need to know how we are supposed to be identifying our triangle. Alright? So, this is a right angle triangle what we have over here. Okay? Acha. In this is our right angle triangle. So, the side corresponding to it is going to be known as hypotenuse. Alright? Okay? Alright. And this is going to be one angle and this is going to be another angle. Let's say if it's A, it's going to be 90 minus A. Alright? Because the sum of these two angles is going to be 90 degrees. Ashaji, now, whichever angle we are going to be talking about, then we are going to know which one is our perpendicular and which one is our base. So if we are going to consider this angle, let's just label it. Okay, this is going to be A, this is going to be angle B, and this is going to be angle C. So if we are going to be talking about our A, so the opposite one, the side just in front of the angle is going to be your perpendicular. Okay, and the side beside your angle is going to be your base. Okay, so how do we find a particular side using our Pythagoras theorem? It's h square, means hypotenuse square, equals to perpendicular square plus your base square. Okay, so let's consider it with a example. Let's say you have this triangle of yours, okay, and this is a 90-degree triangle, and you have your let's say this is your angle, and then we're going to talking about this, and then we have our angle in front of us. It's going to be, let's say it's 4 and it's going to be a 3. It is 3 centimeter and now it is 4 centimeter. Okay, and we do not know our hypotenuse, which is going to be found in our example. Okay, okay. Now what we have to do is we have to write like this, and then we have to square our perpendicular. So as we have discussed over here, the side in front of your talking angle is going to be your perpendicular. So over here, perpendicular is going to be 4 square plus base. The angle, the side beside your angle is going to be your base, which is 3. So that's a square, which means hypotenuse of square equals to 4 square equals to 16 plus 3 square 9. So your hypotenuse square is going to be 25. And in order for you to find your hypotenuse, you have to take under root on both sides, which is going to be, now your h is going to be 5. So through this we are going to be doing our Pythagoras theorem.